just pulled in is your 1929 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street, full chains. This is not due to engineering works being carried out today, so all Greater Anglia services are normal today. And then the barriers are going down now for your 1935 Greater Anglia service to Cambridge, calling at Elmswell, Thurston, Bury St Edmunds, Kennet, Newmarket and Cambridge. But first to depart this evening is your 1929 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Norwich. And it is 82,107 at the rear of the train, and at the front of the train was 90,010, and that's heading to London Liverpool Street, and then we should have your 1935 Greater Anglia service to Cambridge.